Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, once again I'm present with another latest update of the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of BTT token? What's the price in token the BTT token? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, let's discuss more about the Bittorrent token. So my friends, first of all, very congrats to all Bittorrent token holders, because now at this time the situation of the BTT token is going good and the price is going to increase. The price of the BTT token start pumping. That's why I want to congratulate all of you, and personally I'm very happy. So congratulations. Now at this time the latest price of the BTT token Bittorrent is 0.002 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the latest last 1 hour pricing of the BTT, last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 24 hours pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is negative. So from yesterday, my friends, from yesterday the situation, the condition of Bittorrent token is going positive, is going good. So that's a good idea, that's a good news for all of you, my friends, that from yesterday the BTT start pumping, the BTT price is going to increase. So congrats, my friends. If the pricing is positive, that's mean that you are in the profit. So my friends, I recommend for everyone to please invest more and more in the BTT token. If you want to buy, sell or hold, so I recommend for everyone to please holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. You can see, my friends, the previous time of the Bittorrent token is bad time, but now it's a good time. The good time of the BTT token starts now, so it's time to celebrate, my friends. It's time to celebrate. Anyways, how do you feel today about Bittorrent token? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos.